Welcome! If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your Realme 5i, at first go for the Play Store. Tap on Search Pool and type Green Apple Keyboard. We are going to use this application from Arvin apps, so let's install. Let's open. Click to enable in the settings. Tap on the switcher. Click Use and tap Done. Then go to Switch Input Methods and switch to this one. Tap Finish and take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed and it looks very close to the iOS theme. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.